All right, folks, how do you take a plain Jane wall and make it different? Simple. Wainscoting. Okay, you can do it individually with a little wood if you want, or you could buy panels. They have panels for it. Check this out. This is from Lowe's. Okay, you take that and you put it on your walls, decorate it with some fancy moldings, and you have a nice little wall. Okay, there's going to be a little thing that goes there, so you're not going to see anything there. I got a little corner table there, but check it out. Let's come back a little bit more. See if you like it. You can decorate the moldings any way you want. You can paint them. I use some nice decorative moldings here. It has a little lip on it, so it just sits right on top of the panel. Then I use a fancy little thin one over there. All right, but that's the panel right there that I used. And if you're interested in the color of the wall, this is Sweatshirt Gray from Benjamin Moore. Let me show you. Right there, Benjamin Moore. That's the paint code. And this is the color. All right, with the sun, comes out pretty good. What do you think? All right, in case you want to do something on the wall, this is the way to go. All right, thanks for watching.